In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix Party not starting or not giving you a copy URL link. So first of all, you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and you want to search for Netflix Party. So I've already added this extension and I'm going to remove it from Google Chrome. So that's what you want to do as well. You want to uninstall this so the app doesn't work, then click on Submit, and then there you go. So right now I've deleted the Netflix extension from my browser. Next up, I'm going to search for Google Chrome Web Store again, and you want to install the same extension again. So go to the store and search for Netflix Party. There you go. Then click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. And there you go. Right now, I just added this once again. And this will explain how you can join a party, okay? But you can also just go, like once you installed it, you want to go to netflix.com and then you want to sign into your account, and this will only work if you have access to a Netflix account. So you need to have a subscription or a free trial or access to someone's Netflix account. So sign into your account and then click on the series or movie that you want to watch, and then once you do that, this icon becomes red, right? So the Netflix Party vector or icon becomes red. Let me just pause this. I'm going to blur this as well because this is copyrighted, but you want to click on that Netflix Party icon once you started streaming a series or film. If you just go to netflix.com and you don't click on a series or film, the icon right there is gray, right? And you cannot click on start a party. So you want to make sure to click on the series or film that you want to start, then click on the icon, and then click on start the party, and then right there you'll see the URL. You can then click on copy URL right there or right there, and that's exactly how you can do this. So you then want to share that link with your friends, and you can then start watching Netflix with your friends. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.